Hey Crafty, Tay, and Van. So today we are about to open another surprise package that my dad bought off of Amazon. So let's get started. Go ahead, Van. Open that thing up.
Okay, I will open it. Is it? Oh yeah.
It's the middle one. No, it's this one. Okay, let me help.
I got it. There's fluffy in it. Alright, I'm gonna what are these fluffy?
Okay. Okay. Whoa! It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tay and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tay and Van.
It's Crafty. It's Crafty and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tay and Van.
I saw these. Wait, never mind. I never saw these ones before. This is really cool.
And you can make a birdie, a cat, a little person, or a horse.
Okay, let's open this all the way up. This is so cool. Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa! It even comes with stickers to put on them. This is so cool.
You gotta try to get them out.
I wonder, like, what they are. Are they magnets or something? They are magnets. Okay, let's take this all out and we'll start.
I'm gonna start taking out these. Let's get this one out of here.
Get that right there. Go ahead and put that in there. I got this sticker. We're probably not gonna. Maybe.
Stickers on.
So, what should we build?
I know what I'm gonna be on. We can break all these off.
Oh yeah. So let's put the shapes together. So, okay. So right now we're putting the shapes together.
Yeah.
So we can have the shapes like together, all together. So we can grab each shape.
Wait, I can't magnet. Not magnet.
Yeah.
Wait, no.
Put the squares all together.
No.
So we have
No, not magnet.
lots of blue.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start building. Let's see what should I build. Okay, and it also comes with a paper that it shows you what you can build.
Yeah.
So this is right here in the front. It's showing you how many each piece is on there. So like the these right here.
Oh, you can make a little turtle.
Oh, you can make a turtle. Let's see what else. You can make a cat, a horse,
Or you can make
a little robot,
owl.
or an owl. Let's see what else. Oh, and that's it. I think I'm gonna make a turtle. I want to make a turtle, so I'm gonna go to the turtle page. Okay, so it shows you the shapes right here and how many. So it's saying I need 7 blue cubes. So I'm gonna find 7 of them. Van, can you find 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so we're gonna get the rest of our pieces. So we got 2 of these, 7 of these, 2 of these, one of these.
Triangle.
Yeah, one of the triangles. So yeah, we got all the pieces. So now we're just gonna move out the way the other pieces that we don't need. So yeah.
All
So
right.
let's get started.
Okay.
So, okay. So it looks like this is gonna go right here. And these two are gonna go right here.
We got it.
We did it. It's all done. This is really cool. Okay, so now we gotta put on the face.
Here, can I pick up the eyeball?
Okay, we need that kind of eyes. So let's find those eyes.
Here it is.
Those are not the eyes. Oh, wait, are those it? These ones are the eyes.
All right, so can I take them out?
I'm gonna put one on. Put one eye on.
Okay. And can I put on the eyebrows?
Yeah.
In the mouth?
Oh, no, you said you put on the eyebrows.
In the mouth.
I know. So I'm gonna put on the eye.
All right, it needs to be it.
Okay, I'm so proud that we did this. So we're just gonna do one more. Okay, so let's start breaking this one apart.
I'm gonna start breaking this.
Go ahead.
Okay. I'm gonna look for mine.
Okay, you can look for one this time. See which one you wanna do.
I wanna do the owl.
The owl looks pretty hard.
If there's another one. All right. So I'm gonna go on for my owl, and so
We're gonna get all the pieces together.
yeah, we're gonna get on.
So I'm gonna start at the top.
So we have the page that I'm gonna have it out. We're gonna put it right there.
Okay, so how many do we need of those, Van?
5.
Nope, I'm talking about that one.
2.
Okay, so we're gonna find 2 of these. 1,
1. 2.
Okay. Now, how many do we need of those?
5.
Okay, go ahead and find the 5.
1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, let's build the body first.
So we're gonna break some of these.
Looks like 3 right here, 3
So-
right here, and 3 up here. Okay. Oh, looks like we need
One of
this.
Here.
Oh, right here.
Here.
Right here.
This is gonna just
We'll
fall.
put it under.
No.
Put that under. Under.
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna have to hold this up.
This is not gonna stick.
So hold that up. Looks like we
just did it.
no.
Looks like, oh, we need those one red over here.
Hmm. So the owl, I don't know why the magnets are not strong enough to hold up 3. See, watch. It's just gonna fall. So the owl is a little more difficult than the turtle.
Yeah.
And on this photo, it looks like it's up nice and fine. But yeah, and it's basically saying we need these at the feet, and we don't have any more of these. And it gave us enough of these. And okay, so the arms work better at the bottom.
Yeah.
And it turned out pretty good, I gotta say. I really like it. Even though the arms don't stick up and the magnets are not strong enough, at least it can go at the bottom. But I think the turtle was a little easier than this.
Yeah.
And yeah, I said it looked a little hard. And this is called Meg Fun Cubod. So yeah, if you guys want one, and it's gonna be in the link at the bottom, link below. So like and subscribe. Bye, Crafty Tan Van. Peace.